And we can also lastly use user cut. Okay, let's go to user cut here, or maybe untick the streamline, tick the show grid. Okay, this is for cut. And in arithmetic command line, let's say we type in WMC, okay, and then open parenthesis, type in this one, and then star, this one, and then comma 1. Okay, and let's apply. What happened? Use cut. Okay, so wow. Yeah, you can open the previous video, by the way. I also show you about this one. So WMC, W for well, M for mask, if I'm not mistaken, and C for connection. So we want to find the connection between well and the grid, between well and the model. So yeah, we see all the connections. This this star is for mask, and comma 1 means I want to show all my producers or all my wells. Okay, that's why you see all wells here with the connection. You cannot see some producers because I deselect all. So I can also select all, and you see all wells with their connections. So that's the meaning of WMC. And now I want to put second row plus. So the cell or the grid must follow or must comply with the both rules. And the second rule is 2 star WMVC open parenthesis, this one star close comma 1, this one. Okay, this is to select the blocks with open virtual connections and with standard connection with different color. So click on apply. Okay, so we will have different color. So WMVC is actually W for well, M for mask, V for virtual connection. Okay, and because I have them in separate rules, the color will be changed, or the color will be different. And then both use comma 1 means it's for all producers. I want to find all, sorry, I want to find all wells. That's the meaning of comma 1. Okay, and this one parenthesis, this one, and then star, and then comma 1 can be replaced by well mask and parametric expressions for wells. For example, yeah, we can change it to, yeah, by the way, star is for mask. We can show you, for example, quote prot star unquote comma or at greater than 20, for example. Okay, let's delete it first. Okay, so this is to select connections for wells which name starts from prot and oil rate is greater than 20. Okay, so you can see that, right? So this quote prot and then star unquote it for the name. Okay, so I have prot, prot there, prot there, prot there. You can see the connection. Injector, you cannot see the connection because it doesn't meet, or they don't meet the name prot. And then ORAT greater than 20, only several wells survive. Disconnection, disconnection, disconnection. All the connections shown are for wells with oil rate greater than 20. Okay, I think that's pretty much all. So we have covered many things about simulating hydraulic fracture in tNavigator. So hopefully our learning today is beneficial for all of us, and see you on the next tNavigator videos. Thank you.